How to fix Safari is not opening websites on your Mac computer. So if you're having issues opening a specific website, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So first thing you need to do is open up a Safari browser, click on Safari in the top navigation, and then press Clear History. Now click on the drop down arrow and select All History, and then go and press Clear History. Now once you've done this, click on Safari once again, and now click on Settings. At the top of the page, click on Extensions, and if you're currently using any Safari extensions, then you'll just need to either disable or go and remove them from this list. Now click on Advanced over in the top navigation and make sure Block All Cookies is turned off like you see here. You can then close out of this window and click on your Apple logo and press System Settings. Click on Wi-Fi from the left hand side and then click on the 3 horizontal dots next to your Wi-Fi connection. Now click Network Settings and click on Forget this network. You can then press Forget. And once you've done this, you'll need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If it's still not working, click on your profile name in the top left-hand side and select iCloud. Now you'll see an option here for Private Relay. Now if this feature is available for you, then make sure it's turned off and disabled. Now for me it's grayed out because I don't have the iCloud Plus, but if you do have the option to turn this off, you can also try that as well. Now the final thing you need to do is just make sure you're not connected to any VPNs. This can also interfere with loading websites on your Mac computer. Once you've followed all of these steps, you should then be able to go and load your specific website.